Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is optical fiber. First we write is the statement. What is the statement of optical fiber? Optical fiber is long, thin and hair-like, flexible, transparent, medium or material with a glass core through which light signal can be sent with very little loss of strength. Such a fiber conduct light in same way as copper wire conduct electricity. Now we discuss the uses of optical fiber. Optical fiber is used to provide the service of internet, telephone and television, etc. Optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the construction of optical fiber. Optical fiber consists of the three main parts. So we write here optical fiber consists of following main parts. First one is core, second is cladding, third is protective jacket. Here the shape of the optical fiber. Optical fiber is look like this. If we discuss the construction of the optical fiber, the innermost part is called the core. The core which is surrounded by the cladding, and the outermost part that is called the protective jacket. The innermost part core, the function of the core is carries the light signal. That is the function of the core, and the function of the cladding is lower refractive index to make the total internal reflection happen. And third part is the protective layer, prevent or protect from the light leakage. Here we discuss the inner parts of the construction of optical fiber, how the light travel inside the optical fiber. This is the core of the optical fiber. This part is cladding and this part is coating. If we look the side view, in the side view, the inner part that is core, the outer part that is cladding, the inner part, the outermost part that is coating. The inner part of the core where the light is passes, here light passes through the core Now we discuss the one by one the main parts of the optical fiber, that is core, cladding and coating. Now we discuss the construction of optical fiber, that is first one is core. Core is the inner section of optical fiber which is made up of glass or plastic. It is the light guiding region. It is very thin, have diameter of 2 to 120 micrometer. The refractive index of core is greater than the cladding. Second type we discussed, that is cladding. Core is surrounded by thin layer of material known as cladding. Cladding is made up of glass or plastic. The refractive index of cladding is lower than the core. Therefore, the cladding help to keep the light within the core. Now we discuss the buffer coating. The outermost region of optical fiber called jacket. It is also known as buffer coating. It provides the protection from physical damage such as temperature, environmental changes, and humidity, etc. It is the protective layer that is protect from the light leakage.